As December sets in and the temperatures fall, we look forward to the cozy, dry warmth of the wood stove. I'm thankful for the time and energy we spent to harvest, split, stack, and season over 16 cords of fallen hardwoods when we first moved here. The abundance of our forest has kept us warm for 5 winters without having to cut down a single tree since, and it looks like we have at least 2 more winters left in the wood piles. As 2021 draws to a close, so does season number 6 for our channel here on YouTube. Reflecting back 5 years ago on the reasons we decided to sell our suburban home and move to this remote off-grid land in the foothills where the air is pure, the water is clean, and the only sounds are from the birds during the day and the occasional pack of coyotes at night, we are reminded almost every day that our decision was the right one. Our long journey to pursue a more self-sustainable lifestyle has definitely had its ups and downs, and we've made many changes in course along the way. But that's just how we do things. We try every extreme and then pick the right combination that works for us based on our actual experience. So yes, even though we are still living in a small off-grid trailer that was built in the 1960s, we won't be for much longer. As we look ahead to our 7th season on YouTube, our journey will once again take on a new course. We will have grid power with solar backup. We will have many of the modern amenities back that we gave up almost 5 years ago when we took on this new experiment. And with all the hard-earned knowledge, skills, and wisdom we've acquired during our time here so far, we're ready for this next chapter. We're ready to take our self-sufficiency to the next level. We're ready to develop the sustainable systems that work in concert with this land, to provide for our family, our friends, and leave something better for the next generation who may choose to follow our way of life. The new year is almost upon us, and we hope you'll join us, because the best is yet to come.